tell me where you went. All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you will enjoy this video. Well, in today's video I'm gonna be trying and reviewing BOXYCHARM. Basically, I can never wait. When I get the box, I open it immediately. So I opened this box too and I saw everything what I got, and I'm super excited because I got everything that I wanted. So let's go. Okay, so well, this happened. Well, as you know, all boxes have the cards where there are prices and all the details of the box. But when I opened the box and saw the products, probably, I don't know, maybe I misplaced the card somewhere on my baby just took it. I could not find the card, so, and I'm so sorry about that. But I'm gonna tell you the prices from the online, from their website. So let's talk about the products that I got. The first product that I got is this iconic London prep set glow, and I'm so happy I got this because, as you know, I love this brand. Iconic London is one of my favorite beauty brand, and I have their highlighter, I have their brushes, and I love them. I'm obsessed with this brand, so I was super excited when I got this Iconic London prep set glow. The next, I got this Dose of Colors. This is eyeshadow palette. It's called Sassy Siennas. Well, also about this brand, I love Dose of Colors because I have their lipsticks and I'm really in love with the quality of their products. But well, I have never tried their eyeshadow palette, so here it is, and I'm gonna be trying today. So I love this like glossy goldy design packaging, and oops, and here are the eyeshadows that I got. This is like red, brown, pinky shades, and it has this Dose of Colors brush. Then I got this Hank & Henry mascara. Well, this brand I already got to know this brand when I got the eyeliner. It was the previous BOXYCHARM box, and well, I really fell in love with this eyeliner for the first time I tried it because it's so easy to apply and it's very useful for beginners. So I'm sure this mascara will be also great, but as you know, I have eyelash extensions, and it's like forbidden for me to use mascara on these eyelashes, so I'm not gonna be trying this eye mascara today. And the last thing that I got, and I'm so excited, this is the brow gel. It's called Tinted Brow Gel. The brand is Mellow. And now I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'm gonna do my face first, and I'm gonna be using my Kylie Skin moisturizer to moisturize my face. So I'm gonna apply the BB cream now, and I'm gonna be using my Ellene Lingerie Pure BB cream, but I'm gonna be mixing these two shades, light and natural, because as you know I have tan and the light is too light for my skin and the natural is like more too dark. So like when I mix them, they are perfect shade for me. Using my CoverGirl concealer. I'm using this concealer for the first time because my NARS concealer is over, so I'm gonna be trying this. And for my dark contour, I'm gonna be using my Smashbox contour, my all-time favorites. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. cosmetic brush to blend my contour.
There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through.
I'm gonna be trying this eyeshadow Dose of Colors. It's really fall colors. So, well, I'm gonna be using this brush for these eyeshadows. And what color I'm gonna be using first? So the first shade, this one, it's called the middle shade. It's called Foxy. Ooh, it looks really pigmented. Well, I'm gonna use my brush. I'm gonna apply it on all over my eyelid.
All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room.
Now, dark. Now I'm gonna take this darker shade. This one is called Stay Sassy. I'm gonna be using my mother brush here.
Cause you are the only one. Cause you are the only one. The only one. Cause you are the only one.
Well, this palette is really pigmented, as I said. So I'm gonna apply this shade under my eyes too. And finally I'm gonna use this shade, the first shade. It says Oh So Sassy shade. It's like more peachy pinky shade, and I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner. Ew, this color is so pretty. I'm doing like a fall smoky eye look today, I guess, which actually I really like. I think these shades are really pretty, especially in this season, in fall season, because I really like this eye look. So I'm gonna show you first. So next I have this eyeliner pencil, but I'm not gonna be applying it on my eyes because, as you know, I always have trouble with eyeliner, and especially when I have the eyelashes, I don't love to use eyeliner. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand and show you how pigmented is this eyeliner pencil. And the top of this pencil is so soft and it's not harsh, so it's like easier to apply, I guess. So next we have this brow gel, mellow tinted brow gel. So I guess it's like, it has like color tint. So I'm gonna brush my brows. Well, it's a brow gel, but it has the color, so as you can see the difference, it's really like tinted my brows, which actually I really like. And I'm gonna brush my brows. I don't love like thick dark brows on me. Well, on other girls I really love the thick pretty brows, but I don't know, I would prefer more natural look, like more when my brows look like more natural. So this brow gel is really good. It's like really tinted my brows. So the next product I have is this Hank & Henry mascara that I said I'm not going to use today because, as you know, when you have eyelashes, well, actually I'm gonna be using it on my bottom eyelashes. They're really small, but I'm gonna try. Oops, I just touched my upper eyelash. I hope my lash master won't kill me if she sees this video, because I just touched the eyelash extensions. It's fine. Well, I don't usually do my bottom eyelashes, but I just wanted to try this mascara. So I really can't say like, and I think it's just like the regular mascara, but when I don't have the eyelash extensions, I'm gonna be trying it on my upper natural lashes, and I'm gonna tell you how I will like it. But this time, this is all I wanted to use. And finally, I can use this Beauty Iconic London. So I'm gonna spray it. So I'm gonna spray this. It smells amazing. Well, I already said like give my face like glowy look. Well, this spray smells amazing and it like hydrated my skin really well, and I really see that it gave even glow. So I'm gonna apply the Kylie on my lips. I'm gonna apply Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. Well, this one is my favorite. It's Kylie lip kit. Just overlined my lips, and I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick Kylie. I'm just gonna apply in the middle.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply.
Well, I think this lip combo really fits my eye look today. As I was talking about the Iconic London highlighters, I'm gonna be using Iconic London highlighter, well, illuminator drops for my highlighter for today. It's here. Well, this Prep Set Glow and the Iconic London highlighter really made my face so glowy, and as you know, I'm obsessed with glowy products, so I think like glow is never too much for me. This is my look using October BOXYCHARM. Well, I can say it's like a fall glam, and my favorite was, of course, this Iconic London setting spray. It's so pretty. Well, you can see on the camera, but it's really glowy and I really love. And now I'm gonna tell you the prices, because as you know, I lost the card. So the eyeshadow palette, let's start. The eyeshadow palette was $32. Then we have the Iconic London Prep Set Glow was $29. This beauty. Okay, then we have this Hank & Henry mascara. It was $19. And then we have the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. And well, the brow gel I also liked. It holds brows brows so well and it gives a little tint, so I'm really satisfied. And it was $16. And the last one, where is the lip pencil? I mean the eyeliner. Okay, it's right here. It's Hollywood and Wine long eyeliner pencil. It was $7. So altogether was $103. And I got this only for $21, guys. And I even had the choice to choose this beautiful glowy Iconic London setting spray, and I'm so excited. Well, I guess this is the whole review of October box BOXYCHARM. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you liked it and found it helpful, please give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be with you very soon. Bye.